Hey, Test Choi here. Today I am excited to do a video review on this Lightning USB power cable from Chromo. And this is what the packet look like. It's designed to be compatible for your iPod, iPhone, iPad. Let's take a look. Ooh. Okay, and this is supposed to eliminate some of that tangleness with your regular cables. So it won't tangle because it's flat, it's not round. As you could see, it's flat like this. It's not, this is the round cable that we get from Apple. So there you go. And let me just quickly plug it in on my iPhone, see if it fits here. Very nice, smooth and very tight fit, so works well. Thank you guys. Please like my video if you haven't, and subscribe to this channel for freebies and giveaways and future videos like these. All right, thank you. Test Joy, bye-bye. And oh, you can click the link below the video to get the same cable, and it's 4 feet long. I like how long it is. Let me actually, yeah, it'll help my to use on my desk. It's really nice. Here you go. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.